Hi friends, this video shows how to find and open hidden files inside this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage using this Google TV streamer 4K device. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the white cable that is connected to this USB hub. This is the power cable, this white cable, and here you can see the black cable that is connected to this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage. This is a setup. Let me go to TV home screen, go to apps, then open one file manager app. Here I am using this Explore file manager app. You can install this app from App Store. Let me open this Explore app, and here you can see internal storage of this Google TV streamer. Then here you can see no name 1 TB. This is a Samsung SSD. Select this no name. Now we are seeing files inside this Samsung SSD storage, but we are not able to find hidden files here. So I will show you how we can find hidden files. Go down. So let me see. Go down, select show, and here you can see the first option, show hidden. Enable this first option, show hidden. Done. Then go back, select this SSD. Now we can see the hidden files. See, dot spotlight, the file name starting with dot, those are hidden files. Let me go down. See here also you can see some hidden images, dot underscore images 2. See, so this way we can find hidden files inside the SSD storage. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.